Alright ladies and gents, I've just left Buttermere and I'm on my way to Bleaberry Tarn. Follow the rest of this video for step-by-step instructions on how to get there. Here's a little preview. However man, get outdoors, life's an adventure, get in there.
This is the route I took. As far as I know, it's the most straightforward route there, although it is a very steep incline. 500 meters elevation and a total of 6 kilometers. This is one of my favorite short hikes to date, and don't worry if you're not familiar with maps, I'm going to be guiding you every step of the way. Postcode on screen here for the best parking spot. You can park either side of this hotel here, although if you're not there early, spaces are limited and you will struggle to find somewhere to park and might end up like us having to park on this horrible bend. Sad times. So from here, this is us walking back down from where we parked. Whatever you do, make sure you do not block a farmer's gate. If you did have to park back up there like us, just be careful on the roads. Keep walking down past this chapel towards the hotel that I mentioned earlier. Make your way to the left through this gate towards Buttermere. Walking past the parking on the right, being envious of the early birds' better life decisions. For the next few minutes, you're just going to follow the path until you arrive at Buttermere, and from there I'll give you further instruction.
No, just continue that way.
Wait, can we take a quick break? I need to take something off. So sorry. We're running some other barn.
Thank you.
And there's the beautiful Buttermere, but today we're headed to Bleaberry Tarn, so instead of going straight ahead, we're going to take this path off to the right. I just quickly dropped the family off. I'm going to meet back up with them later and continue on to Bleaberry Tarn. From that right hand path we took, it's going to take us to this little bridge over the river. Following the path, you can see Sour Milk Gill on the right hand side there. This is the water coming directly from Bleaberry Tarn. Following this path, you want to take yourself on through the gate and take the steps leading upward directly ahead of you. The path from here is pretty straightforward. You mostly follow this all the way up to the top until we get a bit further up. For now, just enjoy the views, follow my footsteps, and I'll give you help where it's needed.
Whew! It's the hottest day of the year so far, and damn, this climb is heating up fast. It'll all be worth it though when I get to the top, get that beautiful view, and have a refreshing cool down, and that lovely, clear, fresh water at the top of Bleaberry Tarn. I'm about halfway up now. I'm starting to run out of energy, but don't worry, I've got a trick for this exact situation. And for this, I'm going to need you guys' help at home. If everyone at home can raise their hands up in the sky and just listen. Citizens of Earth, lend me your energy! Much better, feeling refreshed. Cheers for that guys. Now I've got the energy to continue the rest of the trail. Woo, feeling much better. Now I've got some energy. After all the citizens of Earth have lent me the energy. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Hands up in the comments.
Soon enough you'll start to hear water again from Sour Milk Gill, and that's a sign we're getting closer to Bleaberry Tarn.
Running water, you know what that means? We're nearly there. Hold on tight. Okay, maybe we're a tinty bit further than I thought. Another 5 minutes. Look at them views though. Just listen to these sheep. All these little lambs. Well, that sound would be well creepy in the right setting.
From here the trail is a little bit all over the shop, but as long as you keep heading towards the centre and follow the rocks, I'm sure you'll be fine. You can also tell that normally this is probably a very boggy trail. It was alright for me today, but I am on a very hot day in the middle of summer. Just something worth bearing in mind.
What does it look like? There's not even a tarn there from this angle. Check it out. Literally looks like I'm just walking towards a hill, a grass hill. So fingers crossed, otherwise this whole entire video would have been pointless. But there's a tarn there. Fingers crossed. Oh, here we are. Whew, finally. Wow. Would you look at that? Whew. Bit rocky like for walking in. But I'm getting in there regardless. There you are, ladies and gents. Bleaberry Tarn. Hope you enjoy. Stick around in the rest of this video to see what I get up to, and don't forget to follow this channel, like, share to your friends, and leave a comment if you've been here. Time for a nice refreshing dip in this beautiful freshwater lake district. 3, 2, 1. Well, there we are guys, that's me finished in Bleaberry Tarn. I've had a nice refreshing dip, ready for the hike back down. To get back, I'm just going to follow the same route we used to get here. I'm going to have a nice swim in Buttermere now to finish off with the family.
I hope you enjoyed this video, or it's been at least useful in helping you enjoy the outdoors. If you did, hit that like button, and if this channel can gain some more traction, I'll start uploading here more often. Otherwise, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, where I upload most of my outdoor content. Stand by for a preview of my next video, having some fun at the absolutely beautiful Buttermere. And don't forget guys, your life was always meant to be an adventure. You are the main character in your story, so be authentic, be yourself, get outdoors and get stuck in.